Stop breathing for like 20 seconds.
They're coming.
Oh, get it.
Wait, don't yet. I'll tell you when. They're getting more comfortable now. I'll tell you when.
Oh my God.
Wait. Oh God. No, they're not coming up there anymore.
Stop, Mason.
You're breathing too hard. Don't say anything. Just leave. Just be quiet. Doing good. Just give it a little bit. Patient.
Dude, they don't want to go near his head.
It's your head.
God damn it.
Bird.
Oh.
Move forward.
Come on.
Oh! You're terrible. Find out where it was. I'm tired of that.